should you be looking to buy a kilo gold bar compared to a bunch of kilo silver bars? Well, one of the biggest issues I've always thought about with kilo golds is they're just impractical in terms of something to sell on at the other end. How are you going to sell it? Where are you going to sell it? Are you going to sell it on eBay, Instagram, YouTube? Where is your buyer going to come from? And are they going to be trustworthy of some random person on social media selling a kilo gold bar? This is a metal ore with a specific security feature on there, but most gold bars don't have that. I wasn't expecting to see that when I came here. They are difficult perhaps to test because of their thickness. You know, simple Sigma Metalytics machines might not be able to penetrate and see if there's a tungsten core. So you might have to have quite significant bits of machinery really to check it. So you're really left with only one option, which is to sell to perhaps a dealer or an institution that have got those abilities to check it properly. And you're often then beholden to whatever prices they might pay. And a quick look here at Charles has given us the indication that you're getting about 90% of spot price for a big gold. Now that can vary, it depends on the item, it depends on the situation, it also depends on the flavour of the month in terms of volume of what they might be able to sell it. And you might get a better price than that, who knows. The point is, it's a lot less than spot price, and that's simply because of its impracticalities as an item to sell. So it's incredibly special and wonderful to have, but not necessarily that practical. So it would be a long-term kind of hold, I would say. Now, in addition, we've got a smaller bar here, a 250 gram bar. Lots of gold out on the table.